Some of you guys have been asking about my outdoor shower curtain, so I thought I'd do a quick little video on that for you. But do you know that most bald guys still own a comb? They just don't want to part with it. Anyway, back to the shower curtain. So here what we have is the stand out shower curtain. Yeah, I got the fan running on the AC this morning, just the fan. So get over here so you can get a little bit better view of what we got going on. So what this does is it allows you to go potty, change clothes. If your rig's equipped with a outdoor shower like this is, it's perfect. You have a zip out right here where your hose can come in. What's really cute is that you can use the camper window as a mirror. Works really well. This also has a roof that comes out over the top. You notice how this is sloped down, so it'll let you get a little runoff on it. So it seems pretty solid. Now, like I said, I've used these SeaSucker mounts before, and they work really well. The dog bone, and basically you just, when you buy these awnings, they're made to go on rooftop racks, but they come with mounting brackets, and you can use the two little holes in there to line up your drill holes through those wishbones. It's just a ABS plastic, really heavy duty, but it's really easy to drill through. You might have to get just a little bit longer bolts to go through there at the hardware store. I think they're 10 millimeter, but I tell you, this is a game changer. So at the campground this busy weekend, there is a ton of people here, and if you got to go tinkle, you got to go potty, it's a great place to get in and just take care of business really quick, especially when the bathhouse is so crowded. Now, I wouldn't necessarily take and use a outdoor shower at some of these campgrounds. They don't allow it, any gray water in the ground, but you can rinse off with a hose. Kind of a weird deal. All right, kids, thought I'd just share that with you real quick. Like I said, I got a lot of people asking about the outdoor shower, and this is it right here. They got pancakes up here at the pavilion. We're gonna go get some pancakes and socialize with all the other travelers. You guys have a good morning. Enjoy your weekend, be safe. We'll see you on the trails.